that you watch for entertainment are often highly dramatized. The characters are larger than life, and the action is, whoa, just big. But even in the most bombastic stories, the actors are still trying to react to their hyped-up circumstances in a believable way. So when you're producing an animated story, it's best to keep the actions of your characters as realistic as possible. I'm sorry, but we have to let you go. Somebody get this guy a box of tissues. Have you seen my son? Did he forget to take his medicine? I need to know. That's my boy! Okay, probably no need to spit all over the other character to make your point. Yeah, these over-the-top reactions generally make us laugh. So if that's the purpose of your video, then okay. But if you want the viewer to believe the character's actions, probably want to go with something a little more subtle. For instance, how would you feel if your manager told you that they had to let you go? On the inside, maybe a little like this guy, but what would you actually do? So before searching for an action that expresses hysteria, read the script out loud and react naturally to it yourself, like this. So the manager says, "I'm sorry, but we have to let you go." Okay, I tried to feel what the character felt on the inside. But what did I do physically? I took a deep breath and looked to the side. Is there an action that I could choose that replicates that? Let's see. I'll click on this guy, change his expression, type in breath, and there we have a sigh. I could also search for sad. Here's an action called depressed. I'll choose that one. In the next scene, I can turn his head to face the other way, and let's see how this works out. I'm sorry, but we have to let you go. See how powerful that is? By reading the line and reacting naturally, you're able to observe your own physical actions, expand your search options, and choose actions that communicate a believable message, like these. Have you seen my son? Did he forget to take his medicine? I need to know. That's my boy. Think like an actor and keep it real. That's a wrap, everybody. I said that's a wrap. That's a wrap. That is a wrap.